They say passive income is a myth, but I'm living proof that it's real, and it's powerful. The day I stopped trading time for money was the day everything changed. No more living paycheck to paycheck, no more dreading Mondays. Instead, I wake up with the peace of mind knowing that my financial independence is no longer tied to working 40 hours a week. The more I focused on building streams of income that didn't require constant effort, the more I realized the freedom it could bring. It's not about instant wealth, it's about sustainable wealth that continues to grow, whether you're actively working or not. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 passive income streams that genuinely transformed my life. These aren't get-rich-quick tricks or shady online gimmicks. These are sustainable, long-term sources of income that continue to pay me, whether I'm working, sleeping, or traveling. Each one took time to build and required a strategic approach, but they've all given me the financial freedom to live life on my own terms. If you've ever wanted to build financial freedom, this might be the video that changes your mindset forever. I'm going to break down each stream and explain exactly how you can start implementing them in your own life. And hey, before we get into the good stuff, take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe. I've got plenty more real-world financial strategies coming your way, and I don't want you to miss out on the next steps toward your own financial success. 1. Rental property income. Out of all the passive income streams I explored, rental properties brought me the biggest and most consistent returns. It started with one small duplex in a working-class neighborhood. I put down a modest down payment, fixed it up myself with a bit of sweat equity, and rented both units out. The initial months weren't glamorous, and I wasn't making huge profits right away, but it was enough to cover my mortgage and expenses. After expenses, mortgage, taxes, insurance, I was pocketing a few $100 a month in cash flow. But that wasn't the only win. The real beauty came with appreciation and loan pay down. Every month, my tenants were not only paying my mortgage, they were helping me build long-term equity. The property appreciated in value over time, and I was able to refinance it at a lower interest rate to access even more capital for future deals. I started with 1 property, then expanded to 2, then 4. The more I expanded my portfolio, the more predictable the income became. Eventually, I set up systems with a property manager, so the income became truly hands-off. Rental real estate takes upfront work and smart planning, but once you dial it in, it's like printing money month after month. The cash flow is steady, the value of the property continues to rise, and over the years, it's paid for itself multiple times over. 2. Dividend-paying stocks. I always thought the stock market was just about buying low and selling high, until I discovered dividend investing. Instead of chasing trends or trying to time the market, I shifted my focus to companies that paid consistent dividends. These are typically well-established, stable businesses that share their profits with shareholders in the form of dividends. By building a portfolio around these dividend stocks, I was able to earn passive income in the form of quarterly payments without selling a single share. At first, I focused on reinvesting the dividends to buy more shares and grow my portfolio, but eventually, I started taking the payouts as income. Now, even if the stock market is flat, I still get paid. Every quarter, those dividend checks hit my account like clockwork. I don't have to lift a finger. It's not about hype or volatility. It's about building a base of dependable, growing income that I can rely on. Over time, those small payments added up, and they've become a key part of my financial freedom. The best part? With the right strategy, this stream scales quietly in the background. As the companies I invest in continue to grow, their dividends increase, and the value of my shares appreciates as well. It's a powerful way to compound wealth over the long term. 3. Digital products. This one completely surprised me. I never thought I'd make money online without shipping a single product or talking to a single customer. But digital products completely changed the game for me. I created a few simple ebooks and templates, based on knowledge I already had, and uploaded them to marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, and Amazon. At first, the sales trickled in, but over time, they snowballed as more people found and purchased them. These weren't groundbreaking, complex products, just simple, valuable information packaged in a way that was easy to consume. What makes this stream so powerful is the low overhead and infinite scalability. I created these products once, and they continue to sell, whether I'm awake or not. There's no inventory to manage, no customer service nightmares, no shipping delays. It's all digital, and that makes it incredibly scalable. I occasionally update a file or answer a question from a customer, but that's it. It's about leveraging your skills and knowledge into digital assets that pay you again and again. The beauty of digital products is that once they're made, they can be sold infinitely with no additional work required. What started as a small side project has become a steady, reliable income stream that requires minimal maintenance. 4. YouTube ad revenue. At first, starting a YouTube channel seemed intimidating. But once I realized I didn't need millions of subscribers to earn meaningful money, I jumped in. I picked a niche I was passionate about, personal finance, and created helpful, evergreen videos. It wasn't an instant success, and it took time to build momentum. But once my channel hit monetization thresholds, the ad revenue started flowing in. What I didn't expect was how powerful YouTube could be as a passive income stream. With every new video I posted, I was building a library of content that would keep working for me long after it went live. YouTube pays you every month for the views your videos generate, even long after they're published. Some videos I made years ago are still earning me money today. The more content I put out, the more consistent the revenue became. And as I learned about optimizing titles, thumbnails, and watch time, my views and revenue grew exponentially. YouTube isn't just a hobby or a side gig. It's a digital real estate play, where your past work continues to pay dividends as long as the content remains relevant. What makes it especially powerful is the ability to scale. The more videos you upload, the more potential there is for passive income. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing was the final piece that really brought everything together. At its core, it's about recommending products or services you genuinely believe in, and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. I integrated affiliate marketing into my blog, YouTube videos, and email list. Instead of promoting random products, I focused on tools I actually used, financial apps, software, and even books that helped me manage my money and investments. The trust I'd built with my audience made a huge difference. People clicked. People bought. And I got paid. Some affiliate programs pay a one-time commission, while others offer recurring payouts for every month the customer stays subscribed to a service. Over time, these commissions added up to thousands of dollars per month, all without having to create new products, deal with customer issues, or manage inventory. Affiliate marketing is scalable, flexible, and incredibly powerful when done authentically. It also helps that the internet provides endless opportunities to find affiliate programs that align with your interests or niche. These 5 passive income streams didn't make me rich overnight. They took time, effort, and consistency. But they gave me something far more valuable than instant wealth: freedom. Freedom from the 9-to-5 grind. Freedom to choose how I spend my days. Freedom to dream bigger and achieve more than I thought possible. Passive income isn't about getting rich without doing anything. It's about doing the right things once and reaping the benefits for years to come. You don't need to build all 5 streams at once. Start with one. Focus, learn, and grow. Then build the next one. I promise you, your future self will thank you for taking the leap now and setting the foundation for your financial independence. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. The road to financial freedom is right in front of you. If this video inspired you or sparked an idea, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more game-changing content coming your way, strategies, tools, and real-life examples that can help you create a life you don't need a vacation from. You've got this.